Today, we will talk about how to grow a plant without soil. Let's have a look at the details. Gardening can be really rewarding and a lot of fun, but if you're using soil, it can also be messy. But did you know that you can actually grow a variety of plants without any soil at all? It's also really easy to do. As long as your plants have the water and nutrients they need, you can grow a plant in almost anything. To help you figure out how you want to grow a plant without soil, we've answered a few of the most common questions that people have about how they can do it. What kind of plants can grow without soil? Air plants don't need any soil to grow. Air plants, also known as tillandsia, are super interesting plants that don't have a traditional root system and don't need any soil at all. There are over 600 species of air plants, and they all absorb water and nutrients through their leaves. You simply spray the plants with water once or twice a week to keep them happy. Many succulents don't need any soil at all. There are around 60 different plant families that contain succulents, which are plants with thickened flesh that originate from dry, desert regions. Many succulents thrive in sandy or rocky growing mediums and come in a variety of shapes and colors. All you need to do is water them once a week and they'll thrive. Some houseplants thrive without any soil. Classic houseplants such as philodendron, lucky bamboo, and orchids can be grown in pots or containers with just a little bit of a growing medium and water at the bottom. No soil necessary. What can I use instead of soil? Use potting mix as a soil substitute. Potting mix, sometimes called potting soil, is a blend of material designed to anchor a plant's roots, provide support for the plant to grow, and supply nutrients as the plant grows. They actually don't contain any soil at all. Instead, they're usually a mixture of dry peat moss, shredded bark, sand, compost, and other materials. If you're looking for a soil alternative, potting mix will do the trick. Try hydroponics and use a growing medium. Hydroponics involves growing plants by supplying nutrients to the roots with water. It doesn't use any soil, but it does require a growing medium that can support the plant and allow the water to provide nutrients to the roots. There are a variety of growing mediums you can use, including sand, fine gravel, perlite, fabric, wallpaper paste, and even gelatin. What plants can grow in water without soil? Most plants can be grown in water if they receive the proper nutrients. While soil can provide nutrients and minerals to plants, it mostly serves as a growing medium to support the plant and its root system and isn't actually necessary for them to grow. You can grow nearly any plant in water, as long as you provide them the same necessaries that soil would give them, which includes support, such as a growing medium, nutrients, oxygen, and the right temperature. How do you grow a soilless plant? Use potting soil. Potting soil, aka potting mix, is a blend of materials that essentially serve the same purpose as regular soil. Fill a container with the potting mix, add your plant or seeds, and water it. Allow your plant to establish roots and grow, and add water whenever it needs it. Use a hydroponic garden that doesn't need soil. Build your own hydroponic garden by creating a flood table that will hold the water for your garden, and using a sheet of styrofoam with 2 to 3 inch wide holes cut out of it to serve as a floating platform that sits on the water. Then, you can add your plants to small pots filled with a potting mix that fit inside of the openings. Add nutrients to the water, use drip emitters to help drain the water from the table, and a pump to keep the water circulating so it's not stagnant. How do you plant a plant in a bottle without soil? Choose a vessel with a thinner neck and fill it with spring or well water, which will contain nutrients and minerals that your plant will need to establish roots and survive. Place a plant cutting in the water and add more water when it gets low. There are a ton of plants that grow well in a container with just water, including mint, basil, lavender, peace lily, and begonia. Can some plants grow without water? No, but some plants need very little water. The truth is, every plant needs water, even air plants that don't have traditional root systems. However, some plants need very little water and need to be watered maybe once a week or even once a month, such as succulents, snake plants, and zebra cactus. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.